Golf is like so boring, not even gonna lie. Yeah, I guess this is just gonna be a vlog. Not really sure what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna try to make it as interesting as I can. So I'll be like doing a ton of random crap like I always do. So just expect random stuff today. Anyway, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing today, so just expect random stuff pretty much. Let's just get on with the video. Check out the donkeys. Just chilling. Penny is out right now, so I'm gonna go see what she's doing. What's up, guys? Welcome to the new house. Psych! Bro, you can't see anything. Anyway, guys, welcome to the new house. Totally not an RV, but check out this new house, man. Toilet's looking a little odd, not gonna lie. Shower, I don't even know how to open it. We've had this thing for like 2 years, but it's not like we're just now getting it. But yeah, quick little new house tour. Pretty epic. I can do mukbangs in here. Totally the new house. Definitely not just an RV. New house, guys. Saying goodbye to the donkeys, to Penny, all the dogs. Say your goodbyes. Sorry! But anyway, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm so tall I can reach the top. Yo. Pretty lit, man. I'm on top of the new house. Psych, not new. New house! Just chillin' watching King Kong Skull Island. Or whatever. Kong Skull Island. Coming down so hard out here. Anyway, I also knocked this wasp thing down earlier, and there's a larva in it. I don't know if you can see it, it just went back in, but there was like a larva or something. Yeah, whatever. Because it was just sitting like right here, and there's always a ton of wasps, but luckily for some reason they weren't here earlier, so I knocked it down. But holy crap. I know you can't really see it on camera, but you might be able to hear the thunder and stuff. It is like dumping. Okay, well, I mean, it's just dumping right now. It's super crazy. But yeah, I mean, I don't think you guys can really tell how bad it is. But anyway, I just finished dinner. That's what the pizza was. We had Costco pizza. Costco pizza is just really good. Thunder's crazy. Yeah, honestly, I would recommend Costco pizza. And for some reason, there's a random pillow thrown. Poor pillow just got thrown on the ground.